Welcome to Idea Elevate, where ideas turn into reality. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful design tools in the world, Canva.com. Whether you're building your brand, designing for your business, or just creating something beautiful for personal use, Canva makes professional design simple, fast, and fun. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create stunning graphics, videos, and social media posts that look like they were made by a pro designer, even if you've never designed a thing before. Let's get started. So why Canva? Because it's free, beginner-friendly, and incredibly versatile. You can design logos, business cards, posters, social media posts, videos, presentations, resumes, and even websites, all in one place. Canva isn't just a design tool. It's a creative playground where your ideas come to life. For entrepreneurs, it's your branding best friend. For content creators, it's your storytelling stage. And for anyone who just loves creating, it's pure joy in digital form. Once you log in at canva.com, you'll land on the dashboard. Here you'll see hundreds of templates, from Instagram posts and YouTube thumbnails to business flyers, presentations, posters, and more. Canva organizes everything by category, so you can easily find what you need. Some templates are more than one page, nicely designed. You can choose from a variety of templates, looking at the design, font, images, which you can also replace with your preferred one. Your next poster is readily available. Use Canva to make a very beautiful and professional poster for your next event. Whether it's a sport event, business meeting, family gathering, you will find what you are looking for. Job hunting? No problem. Design your resume. Check out the available templates, and customize to your pleasure. Whether you want a plain one or a bit of color, take your pick. Canva gives you a library of ready-made templates that you can customize with just a click. Choose one that fits your vibe, maybe bold and modern for your business, or soft and minimalist for personal projects. Need a logo for your business? Look no further. With a wide range of templates, creating your logo is very simple. Choose one, customize, and download. Creating your social media posts? Just find a template and customize it. You can easily design something for Instagram. Keep watching Idea Elevate, learn, and start using this tool. This is a breeze for content creators. Start now. If you are a YouTube content creator, you can easily create your videos, thumbnails, and more on Canva. You will find video clips for any setting, and you can also use AI to create a video unique for you. Content creation is just a click away. Advertise your business by developing catchy flyers with your logo on it. There are numerous designs to choose from. You can even search for them with your business type. Develop professional business cards also, and up your business game. Canva saves you money, which you would have spent paying professional designers for the product. There is so much you can design with Canva. Business brochures, menu for your catering business, photo collage to keep those memories, and even document for your office submission. You can design funding proposal document and spreadsheet. Canva gives you a library of ready-made templates that you can customize with just a click. Choose one that fits your vibe, maybe bold and modern for your business, or soft and minimalist for personal projects. Once selected, you can replace the text, swap out images, and change colors, all instantly. It's like editing a PowerPoint slide, but way cooler. Let's see how you can create a video for YouTube. First, search YouTube video. Then create a thumbnail for your video by clicking on Design on the top left. A thumbnail for a YouTube video must be catchy, inspiring, inviting for the viewer. It must also best describe what should be expected from the video. The t-shirt lists of various options you can choose from, some with a close-up photo of a person, bold letters, bright colors, illustrations, and much more. You can even upload your own photo to a thumbnail design for uniqueness. Depending on the topic you are dealing with in your video, the colors and design must match the kind of audience you are targeting. Canva gives you options. You can choose a video with and save it as a photo for your thumbnail. For this tutorial, I have chosen an image as it is easier to work on that template. Let me choose this one about training. It has an image fitting the subject matter. The words are bold, the colors are matching. The audience will know immediately, even without the title, what the video is about. You can add any object to the thumbnail, graphics, or even another image which you can crop or reduce the shade. Just click, drag and drop the object. You can move the object to position it to where you want it to be on the thumbnail. You can also reduce the size by clicking on the corners of the object, or increase its size as you wish. Position it in the right place. Be creative. If you want to add a video, click under Tools, Put instruction of the type of video you want. Scroll down, select it, drag it and add it. You will see recent videos. Scroll down to find the video you want. There are magic recommendations. Scroll down. You can also check our trending videos you can choose from. It may be a bit challenging to paste the video. Keep trying. Click to delete some of the objects, shift some. A change in design requires you to re-look at the objects or text that is already there. Be creative. Check out the colors and change if they no longer match. Now let's add our own touch. Click text on the left panel to add a heading or a quote. You can adjust the font, size, color and spacing until it looks perfect. Check out the different font types. For thumbnail, you need to use the Perobs that is clear and looks good when the size is increased. There are numerous fonts on Canva. You can check out other thumbnails templates and see the font names to save time. Remember, click the corner to increase the font size. Or, you can click font on top and increase or decrease the size accordingly. To align your text and images neatly, use the guidelines and position tool. You can also flip elements, adjust transparency, or bring them forward or backward using the position menu. Be creative, elevate your ideas. Change the color of the font. A thumbnail font must be bold and visible. Choose a color that works with the video background. Make it bold if you want. Fonts come as bold fonts. Make it italic if you so wish. You can also underline the text. You can also change the font to be small caps. Align the text either to the left, or right, or justified. Choose different colors, and check how they look before settling for one color. Align the text properly. I hope you're enjoying this tutorial, brought to you by Idea Elevate. Now, you can add bullets if appropriate. Some fonts may require you to reduce spacing between the letters, or between the lines. Click on top, and do the spacing as you see fit. Perfect your design with the letter spacing, increasing the size, aligning the font to the right or left. There is so much that can be done. There is no excuse for having not so good looking designs when such a powerful tool is available. Canva is truly a game changer. Use it to the max. Content creators are empowered with this application. Font effects can change a simple text to something beautiful. White color on the edge of the text makes the text pop out. Canva is empowering. Whether you're building your brand, designing for your business, or just creating something beautiful for personal use, Canva makes professional design simple, fast, and fun. Play around with the spacing to see which fits the design better. If you put audio on the video, then you can adjust the volume up and down. You can balance the audios, or you can have different volumes for each video clip. You can flip objects horizontal or vertical. You can change the color intensity of an object or text, increase or reduce transparency to suit your design. You can also put effects on the font, put shade on the font, put a line around the words and change the color of the edges. You can also make the text to be curvy, shape it from circle shape, and pull it up, depending on what you like. For extra highlight, you can have background on the font, determine the size or roundness of the corner, or just leave the font in normal design. See how the curve moves from circle to an arch, so simple, yet so beautiful. The background on font gives it a popping effect, highlighting it. It works better when the background is very busy, and you want the font to be clear. Put other effects on the font, determine how the text appears. It can ascend, flow letter by letter, come from the top, right or left. You can make the font dance a little. It can flicker, stomp, and light up, like neon lights. You can rotate the font for some fun, make it pulsate, make it wiggle also. Go wild or conservative with your design. Whatever object or text you put on the design, it may land on top of other objects or fonts. You can position it backward so that it is behind the existing. You can align it top or left also. This is applicable to text, objects, images. I hope you are learning here, and you will be ready to work on your design. This tutorial is brought by Idea Elevate. Canva offers over 3,000 plus fonts, including both free and premium pro fonts. You'll find classic, modern, handwritten, calligraphic, bold, and decorative font styles. You can search fonts by mood or style, for example, elegant, playful, serif, bold headline. If you have a brand font or a custom typeface, Canva Pro allows you to upload your own fonts. This helps maintain consistent brand identity across all your designs. Canva helps you match fonts automatically through font pairing recommendations. When you select a heading font, Canva will suggest ideal fonts for subheadings and body text. This makes it super easy to create balanced and professional typography layouts without design training. After working on the fonts, you can upload images for your record. Things like audio, photos, and other designs can be uploaded. You can also upload videos over and above the videos you can find from the tools within Canva. Canva has improved its capabilities and introduced voice AI to bring life to the U designs. Click on Magic Media on the left and put on a prompt of what you want Canva AI to design for you. Be specific and descriptive. What image do you want designed? Background in that image. Emotions on the people you want to see. Specify the color scheme and type of design, like cinematic, painting, pencil sketch. Remember to also choose the layout. The default is square, and since this is a video, landscape is appropriate. Allow the system a little bit of time to work on it. It takes less than 2 minutes MOT times. There you go, beautiful sunset image. Drag and drop. If you like them all, drag and drop, and then upload to keep them for future designs. Remove objects that are no longer relevant to the design. Change the font to fit the revised image. White on orange is perfect. Take some coffee whilst waiting for your design. If you do not like the image designed, you can redesign until you get an image you like. If the drag and drop challenges you, just double-click. The image will paste on your design, but you must then align it to fit. This is quite easy, right? Put your questions below if there is something I missed, or you don't understand. Learning is a process, and the system changes regularly. Now, following the same process, you can also get a video to be generated by AI on Canva. Unfortunately, the video capabilities so far only work on landscape, not for portraits. So you won't be able to make a video for YouTube Shorts, except if you use images, or the landscape videos which may overflow to the sides. Give a clear prompt, and wait for it to design. Grab some coffee, stretch your body, then check your design. Video design is fairly new for Canva, so check it out and redesign if you're not happy. The system is being improved all the time. Drag and drop the video, align it properly. This is easy, right? I hope you are enjoying the video so far. Take time to practice. Give feedback also for future tutorials. Video design takes a little longer, but it is worth the wait. How much would you pay a professional to design a video for you? I am sure you will be happy to save that money. Of course, professional designers also need your business, perhaps for complex jobs. Still waiting for our design? Comment and let us know what content you are producing, or you intend producing. It will be interesting to see anyone that starts from scratch and the progress they make. Before I forget, Canva free version has some limitation, so if possible, rather upgrade, especially if you want to create content for YouTube. It will change the landscape for you. This is taking longer than expected. Check your connection also. Hey. It is said, good things come to those who wait. Maybe you have waited for too long for this lesson. Now is the time. Canva is still working on the video. Let's wait a little more. Be encouraged to start something. There are many ways of developing yourself, side hustle opportunities out there, and Canva is perfect to support your endeavors. All it takes is the first step for you to reach your goals in life. There you go. The video is ready. Drag and drop it. Do it until it is done. I know it can be frustrating when you drag and drop and nothing happens. You have come this far, keep doing it. It will land in no time. You can upload your own clips, or use Canva's stock videos. Add music, animations, and transitions between scenes. Use text overlays to add quotes, titles, or your call to action. And yes, you can even record yourself, or use text-to-speech AI voiceovers right inside Canva. See how it did not drop fully on the space? Now I have to align the video to fit the space. You can also delete the image behind it as it has dropped on top of it. Then align your text and any objects already there. Check if the font color is still the right one. If not, then change it. You must imagine what the viewer thinks when they see your product. Think about age and social strata of your viewers. Align your design accordingly. Now that you have made your own unique video, of course with AI, you can also find a video from the pool, drag and drop it. As you give the prompt, be sure if you want bright color or dark color for your video. It all depends on the prompt you give to Canva. I must say, their design for videos has greatly improved. It is quiet, exciting. Look how the Canva video has all the pink color popping. There is so much you can do here. Just be creative, think, try out various things, critique the result, and redo if you are not satisfied. If you have stayed so far, thank you. Share your best lesson, something you did not know about from Canva. Share your thoughts and future tutorials you want me to cover. Another exciting feature is AI voiceover. Click on Audio on the left, open and choose a voice. There are numerous languages to choose from. English, US, UK, or Australia is available. There are various voice choices, older and younger person's voice. Type in the text you want the voiceover to speak. Click Generate AI Voice. When done, it will drop at the bottom of your design. The AI voice design is much quicker than video development.
Training
Before you
today.
save, always name your file clearly. For example, businessflyer_June 2025. Then click Share right pointing arrow download. Choose your format, PNG or JPG for images,
Start
MP4 for
training
videos,
today.
or PDF for prints. You can also preview your design before downloading to make sure everything looks just right. Just watch, check the timeline, and go back to fix where there is a need to fix. And that's it. You've just learned how to design, animate, and export your own professional content using Canva. No design degree, no complicated software, just your ideas, elevated. Take your business to the next level with these easy-to-make designs, logo, brochures, flyers. Content creators will even find this more empowering. Canva has made this easy. There are more capabilities. I have not touched on Canva, this was just the basis. There are more tools and other apps that are available, perhaps another video later on. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who's ready to bring their ideas to life. This is Idea Elevate, where creativity meets purpose. Now go out there and create something amazing with Canva.